Because when I get up, I'm going to scratch
Put the
people
light
in
on
the
all
face. At least he doesn't foam at the mouth.
He only foams at the mouth when he gets bit by an ant.
What about, Bet?
No. Pooped himself.
Poor kitty.
Right.
I don't know why I pooped himself.
Move your head, Selena.
This shirt only.
It's alright.
You're a pretty cat.
Look.
You wanna go outside? I don't know. I'll take you outside. I'll take you outside. Good lie.
No. No. No.
Yes.
Paws against the wall. It's alright.
There are for Thomas meow like that. You know, that's how female cats meow and eat.
And that is a bath by good old Tom.